Hey guys, it's Richard from Grafting Dragon Fruits, and today I'm going to show you guys how to remove the stigma. If you guys haven't seen the video how to remove the flower yet, go ahead and go to my channel and check that out to see how I remove the flower. You're going to have to do that process first before you take off the stigma. So I've waited possibly about 4 to 5 days for the stigma to dry up, and now they're ready to be taken off. So I'm going to show you guys how to do that. So here they are. This is what they're going to look like once they're dried up. So now it's easier to pull out. All you do is hold the fruit, and that's it. There's one. Here's another one. So you guys see, I'm just holding onto the fruit, pulling that one off. Just like that. We have some more over here that I'm gonna take off. You wanna hold always at the base. The closer it is, the better. You hold your fruit, you pull it right off. So this is what's gonna come off, and this is the stigma part. And remember, you don't remove it until it's dried up. You see how this one is still a little white-ish brown, and this one is black. So we're gonna take this one off now. And see how easy it comes right off once it is dried up? This one is really dried up. If you take a look, it's like curling. So we're gonna go ahead and take that off. Just like that. We have one more here. So this one looks about ready. We're gonna go ahead and give that a try. And there it goes. Okay. I'm gonna show you guys what happens when it is too early and you try to pull it off. So let's see. Oh, that one came off. Okay, give it a little try. If it's still too hard, don't pull on it because it might pull off your whole fruit. But since it came off, we took it off. And here's some more. So remember guys, you guys are gonna remove this after the flower is removed. And you see how from here, it's right from the center, so right off. Same one with this one. Right off. We'll have another one up here. Just holding it. Oh. There you go. See, because I didn't pull at the base, I pulled at the very end, it snapped. So make sure you pull at the base. Here's another one. Right at the base. And off it goes. Here's another one. So this is pretty fun to do once you start, and it goes pretty quick once you start doing it. And here's one last one. I'm gonna go ahead and take that off. Okay guys, so since I'm already at my tree and I'm already removing stigma, there are some buds that are gonna be not forming. So I'm gonna go ahead and thin these buds out so that way it doesn't waste energy trying to feed these anymore. This one, if you guys notice, it's gonna start growing way faster once you remove these buds. So I'm gonna start taking them off. Just like that. Let's see if we can find some more. This branch. So these two are gonna be growing, that one's gonna be growing. This is stealing energy from these guys. You see how that one is bigger than these? It's because it's trying to form those still. We're gonna take them off, just not needed. Just like that. One. Okay, let's see if I can find some more. Wow. So you guys look down here, all these are gonna fall off, so we're just gonna go ahead and take it off. This branch is attached to this one, so it's probably sending all the energy to this branch. So we're gonna go ahead and take that off. I think that's it. That's all we have for now. So you guys like what you saw, please hit the like button. If you guys have any comments about taking off the stigma or thinning out the dragon fruits, then leave it in the comment section and I'll get back to you guys as soon as I can. And if you guys want to see more dragon fruit videos and grafting of mine, go ahead and hit the subscribe button so that way you guys won't miss a single thing. Have a good day now. Bye guys.